The dental drill is one of the most recognizable tools in modern dentistry. Almost everyone has seen it or heard its high-pitched sound during a visit to the dentist. While it may look small and simple, the dental drill is actually a highly advanced piece of technology designed to help dentists treat teeth with precision and speed. This tiny device can spin at extremely high revolutions per minute, RPM, sometimes reaching up to 500,000 RPM, making it one of the fastest rotating tools used in everyday medical practice. The dental drill plays a crucial role in procedures such as removing tooth decay, shaping teeth, preparing teeth for fillings or crowns, and polishing dental surfaces. Without this tool, many dental treatments would take much longer and would be far less precise. The history of the dental drill goes back hundreds of years. In ancient times, people who suffered from tooth pain had very limited treatment options. Early civilizations sometimes used primitive tools made from stone or metal to scrape away damaged parts of teeth. Archaeologists have discovered evidence that ancient cultures, including those in the Indus Valley Civilization, used bow-driven drills to treat dental cavities as early as 7000 BC. These early drills were powered by hand and were extremely slow compared to modern equipment. Although these tools were innovative for their time, dental procedures were often painful and risky due to the lack of proper hygiene and anesthesia. The development of modern dentistry began to accelerate during the 18th and 19th centuries. During this time, inventors and medical professionals started experimenting with mechanical dental tools. One of the earliest significant advancements was the introduction of the foot-powered dental drill in the 1800s. Dentists would press a pedal with their foot, similar to a sewing machine, which would spin the drill bit. This allowed dentists to work more efficiently than with hand tools, but the speed was still limited and the process could be tiring for the dentist. A major breakthrough came in the late 19th century when electric power began to be used in dental equipment. Electric dental drills were introduced, which allowed the drill to spin much faster and more smoothly. This greatly improved the efficiency of dental procedures and made treatments faster for patients. However, these early electric drills were still relatively slow compared to the technology we have today. The real revolution in dental drill technology occurred in the mid-20th century with the invention of the air turbine dental drill. This design used compressed air to spin a turbine inside the handpiece of the drill. Because air turbines can spin extremely fast, the speed of dental drills increased dramatically. Suddenly, dentists had access to tools that could rotate hundreds of thousands of times per minute. This innovation made it much easier to remove tooth decay and prepare teeth for restorative treatments such as fillings and crowns. Modern dental drills are carefully designed to provide both speed and control. The main part of the drill is called the handpiece, which is the section the dentist holds while working. The handpiece contains a turbine or motor that powers the rotation of the drill bit. The drill bit itself is a small cutting tool made from extremely hard materials such as tungsten carbide or diamond coating. These materials allow the drill to cut through tooth enamel, which is one of the hardest substances in the human body. There are several different types of dental drills used in dental clinics today. The most common type is the high-speed dental drill. As its name suggests, this drill spins at extremely high speeds, often between 200,000 and 500,000 RPM. High-speed drills are mainly used for cutting and shaping teeth quickly. Because they rotate so fast, they can remove tooth material efficiently while minimizing pressure on the tooth. Another type is the low-speed dental drill. These drills operate at much slower speeds, usually between 5,000 and 40,000 RPM. Low-speed drills are often used for polishing teeth, removing soft decay, or adjusting dental restorations. They provide greater control and are useful for procedures that require careful finishing rather than fast cutting. Dental drills may also include additional features to improve patient comfort and safety. One important feature is the water spray system. When a drill spins at high speed, friction can create heat. If too much heat builds up, it can damage the tooth or cause discomfort. To prevent this, modern dental drills spray a fine mist of water onto the tooth while the drill is operating. This cools the area and helps wash away tiny particles of tooth material. Noise is another characteristic associated with dental drills. The high-pitched sound produced by the drill can sometimes cause anxiety for patients. However, modern technology has improved the design of dental drills to make them quieter and smoother than older models. Some newer drills use advanced bearings and balanced turbines that reduce vibration and noise levels. One of the reasons dental drills are so effective is their incredible speed. A speed of 500,000 RPM means that the drill bit can spin 500,000 times in just 1 minute. This level of speed allows dentists to remove decay quickly and precisely. At the same time, the dentist must maintain care. Full control of the drill to ensure that only the damaged part of the tooth is removed. Dentists undergo extensive training to learn how to use dental drills properly. Dental school programs include many hours of practice on models and simulation tools before students begin working on real patients. Dentists must learn how to hold the drill correctly, how much pressure to apply, and how to control the movement of the drill to avoid harming healthy tooth structures. Dental drills are also used when preparing teeth for crowns or bridges. In these procedures, the dentist reshapes the outer surface of the tooth so that a custom crown or bridge can fit securely over it. The high precision of the dental drill makes it possible to create the exact shape needed for a perfect fit. Another use of dental drills is in cosmetic dentistry. Dentists may use drills to reshape teeth, smooth rough edges, or adjust dental restorations. These procedures help improve the appearance of a patient's smile and create a more balanced look. In addition, many dental clinics now use advanced technologies that reduce the need for traditional drilling in some cases. For example, laser dentistry allows dentists to remove certain types of decay using focused laser energy. Air abrasion is another technique that uses a stream of tiny abrasive particles to remove small areas of decay without the use of a traditional drill. The design of dental drills continues to evolve as technology improves. Engineers and dental equipment manufacturers are constantly working to create drills that are more efficient, quieter, and more comfortable for patients. Some modern dental drills are now equipped with fiber optic lighting that illuminates the treatment area, giving dentists a clearer view of the tooth while they work. Ergonomics is another important factor in dental drill design. Dentists often perform procedures for many hours each day, so the tools they use must be comfortable and easy to handle. Modern handpieces are designed to be lightweight and balanced, reducing strain on the dentist's hand and wrist. Looking toward the future, dental technology is expected to continue improving. Researchers are exploring new materials, smarter tools, and even robotic assistance for dental procedures. Artificial intelligence may also play a role in helping dentists diagnose problems and plan treatments more accurately. The dental drill is a remarkable example of how advanced technology can transform healthcare. From its early beginnings as a simple hand-powered tool to the high-speed precision instrument used in modern clinics, the dental drill has undergone a long and fascinating evolution. Its ability to spin at incredible speeds allows dentists to perform complex procedures quickly and effectively, improving the health and comfort of patients around the world. Although many people associate the dental drill with the sound they hear during a dental visit, it is actually a symbol of progress in medical technology. As innovation continues, dental drills will likely become even more efficient, quieter, and more patient-friendly, ensuring that dentistry continues to advance in the years to come.